Bezier curve manipulation is widely used in graphics and multi-layer compositing software applications. Bezier curves can be described as a method of creating shapes based on the mathematical methods for defining curves defined by 4 points, 2 endpoints, and 2 curve handles. Let's see how this works. In motion, Bezier curves are often used for creating masks, generating motion paths, and controlling the velocity of an effect through keyframes. In this tutorial, we'll use Bezier curves to create a mask to isolate the cricket ball. Normally, a circular or elliptical mask would suffice here. But let's undo and stay with the Bezier tool. Add 4 points at north, south, east, and west. Double-clicking when creating the last point will create a closed spline. As a default, motion applies feathering to the mask, so let's reduce the feather value to 1 in the HUD. By selecting the smooth option with a right-click on a control point, we can introduce control handles. We can then adjust the vectors of the mask leading into and out of the control point to refine the shape. Activating the snapping function in motion with keyboard shortcut N will display guides to help with X and Y axis alignment of the handles. The shape of the curve is determined by the length and angle of the handle and its interaction with the position, length, and angle of the adjacent control handles on the mask. When creating the mask, we can automatically add handles to new points if we click, hold, drag, and then release the mouse button. There is no need to be accurate because we can refine the points and handles later. We can choose whether to reveal or remove areas within the mask with the invert mask button in the HUD. In some instances, we need to make asymmetrical adjustments to the control handles that straddle the control point. Holding down the Alt button enables this function. To copy or duplicate a mask shape together with its media, ensure that the layer that contains the mask is selected in the Layers tab, then hold down Alt and drag to a new location. We've seen how Bezier curves offer detailed control for creating masks, and with a little practice, the process soon becomes intuitive. In the next tutorial, we'll discuss how Bezier curves can be used to create animated paint strokes and also text motion paths.